Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing some products I purchased from Dynamic Nail Supply. So if that's something you're interested in, keep on watching. The first color I'm going to be swatching is called Flamingo. This is a really pretty pink. And the first thing I noticed was that these jars are super full. Also, this is my first time purchasing from here, so I'm really interested in seeing how these acrylics work. These acrylics are so smooth and they are medium setting, so you do have quite a bit of time to move it around before it starts setting in place. This next color is going to be 613, and this is a really pretty glittery pink. So I did notice that the acrylics with the glitters in them set a little bit faster than the regular acrylics. So that's something to take note of. The next one I'm going to be swatching is 624, and this is another really pretty glitter pink. And this one set a lot faster than the one that I just swatched before. So I'm going to be using more beads to complete this swatch. The last one I'm going to be swatching is Barbie Pink. And this is a really pretty hot pink. Overall, all of these acrylics were super pretty and easy to work with, so they are beginner friendly. Definitely add them to your collection if you haven't already. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. See you next time. Bye.